How to receive crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can receive crypto on Kraken. So basically, to receive crypto on Kraken is a very simple process. All you have to do is just make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, log in into your account. So first of all, when you're logged into your account, then you need to go to the receive tab and copy the wallet address or select the asset, and then you need to copy the wallet address. So after that, you need to open up the crypto app. So let me just go ahead and open up my any of these crypto app. Let's say that I'm gonna go with the Coinbase wallet, and after you logged into your Coinbase wallet, that's going to take you to the home page, and from there you need to go ahead and tap on the send button, and it's going to ask you to enter in the asset name that you are actually sending. And as soon as you've done that, and next interface, you'll be asked to provide in the wallet address that you recently copied. So go ahead and paste in the wallet address, enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and then you can just confirm the transaction, and you will be notified that you've successfully received crypto on Kraken. So that's basically how you can receive crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.